You know, my wife learned this in one session. I'm kind of scared for you.
Skate or die.
All right, guys, we are out here today with
Soroj.
and he is very excited because
I'm gonna ollie.
he's gonna learn his first skateboard trick, which is not an ollie.
Never mind.
But he does lift weights, so watch out, ladies.
Yeah.
Coming after you. He just started today. Normally, I would never do this with anybody,
But I'm awesome.
but he's extra awesome, and he likes Star Wars, which makes him double extra awesome.
That's right.
Okay, so this trick is kind of like, it's usually the very first trick anyone would learn, and that ambulance is not coming for you.
No, not today.
Are you superstitious?
A little bit.
I am for sure. I'm knocking on wood because that ambulance just drove by. Okay, good. Your first skateboard trick. It's called popcorn.
Popcorn.
You're gonna put your feet underneath. The board's gonna be upside down like that, and you're gonna jump
Wow.
and land on the board.
Okay.
Is that sick?
That's pretty sick.
Epic?
Epic.
Okay, I'm kind of scared for you. I think we should warm up with some stretches, bend your knees.
Okay.
Is that like the best jump you ever did?
Wow.
Wow, that's a pretty good jump. Now, this time when you jump, bend your knees. Is that you bending your knees? Try it again. What are you doing? Bend your knees in the air. Yes.
Oh, I thought you meant at the start.
If one was gonna jump over something, one's knees should jump, bend in the air.
Okay.
Actually, let's do a drill. Jump from here over the board to there. Good, like the Easter Bunny. Okay, good. Okay, are you scared of this trick?
A little bit, but I can do it.
Me too, I'm glad he's confident. First practice step, I'm gonna show you. Your front foot is gonna be there. The front foot is control point. You're gonna lift it and just put it on like that, okay? That's it. Easy breezy, beautiful cover girl. Front foot down, lift and put it on top.
Wow.
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 I love Soroj because he gets so excited about everything. Do it again.
Okay.
Okay, now flip it over and put it on. Whoa, no way.
I just did that.
You just did that. Okay, now do it again and then step on with both feet. Good? How did you almost fall just there?
I almost fell on Aaron.
You literally did. You almost killed the both of us. Okay, let's not do that. You know what happened there?
My knees were straight, weren't they?
Your knees were straight. Never do that again.
Okay.
If you're a brand new skater and you're just learning how, bend your knees.
Okay.
I should literally make a t-shirt, bend your knees. Brand new skater, bend your knees. Learning how to skate, bend your knees. Learning how to surf, bend your knees. Learning how to code on a computer,
Bend your knees.
bend your knees. We're gonna get the angle that shows the knees bent, yes or no.
Okay.
Step on, you're good. We're not worried about how fast you do it. Okay, good, you did it.
Knees bent.
Knees bent, wow, look at that, he's still standing. Let's run it back, try it again. Boom, step on.
Wow.
That's legendary. As legendary as they come. Now, you gotta do that faster and faster.
Well, that was faster.
You know, my wife learned this in one session, and then we filmed the video, best video I've ever made because the banter between her and I is legendary. And then she didn't like the way her hair looked and made me delete the video. It never saw the light of day. Like, nobody's looking at your hair. We're looking at the skate tricks.
Yeah.
And by the way, your hair looks great. You can do this.
Okay, we got this.
We got this.
Boom. I'm gonna jump on with both feet.
I wouldn't recommend doing that, but you can. Now remember, what we're going for, the end result of this trick is this.
Wow.
Both feet on.
Okay.
You got that?
Yeah.
I believe you can do this. I believe I can fly.
Okay.
Are you going for it? Okay, let me
We're
get
going
back.
for it. What? I'm holding myself back.
Why are you holding yourself back?
I didn't know what I would do. Okay, here we go.
Before you try this, no, we're gonna go back a step. You're gonna do the bunny hop because you know why? In the air, bend your knees. What in the world is this kind of jump? Who taught these kids how to jump these days? Jump and bend your knees. Wow, okay, now over the board. Okay, backwards. Now we're gonna do that 3 more times.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Okay, scared? Oh my word, that was so close. You got it. Was that terrifying?
A little bit.
Was it the most terrifying thing that's ever occurred in your whole life?
Possibly.
Do you know what happened there? Did the board hit your shin?
It did.
Did it hurt?
A little bit.
Where did it hit your shin? Okay, you might have what we call a shinner.
Well, I guess I got myself a shinner.
You done got yourself a shinner.
I got myself a shinner.
You may or may not be bleeding underneath there, but it's okay. I forgot a step. This is all on me. I'm so sorry. We're gonna put the wheels right in the crack. Then you're gonna just jump on. Literally, just jump onto the board. Good. But know what's wrong? That.
Too far?
How many times do I gotta tell you, bend those knees? Okay, jump on again, bend the knees.
It's like knees bent.
Yeah, like that. You should practice yoga. Okay, now jump on there, bend those knees. In the air and on the land. Okay, now do it both at the same time. Jump up, both feet. Good job, again.
Wow.
We're gonna do that 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Now make the noise.
Wow.
When you guys land, the new thing you're gonna do is,
Wow.
when you try this trick at home, you can wow yourself. You ready?
Yes.
You got this, don't be scared. Bro, that was good.
I got a toe on.
That was good commitment. Yeah, that's totally fine. You got a toe on, that's totally fine. That's where everybody starts.
Okay.
Okay, bend your knees. Now, from now on, wherever you walk, wherever you go, just be at a constant bend. Another secret, you're very stable over these trucks. So if your toes are sort of like over those trucks, right? And then you jump and bend your knees and you focus your eyes on those trucks and the board is gonna go there, you wanna put your feet boom and boom, but not there or there. That first time, what happened is your back foot was here and then your front foot slipped off and then boom to the shin. Safe zone.
Okay.
From here to here is the safe zone.
I got one foot on.
Why is that so funny? Why is he laughing? Did you guys think that was funny? Leave it in the comments below. Okay, that was good. That was good. Good, run it. Okay, the shinner got you scared. Your control is in, now you understand it, now you know what to do. You're gonna bend your knees. Do what you did before and just jump and let it rip. Good, he eased into that nice and slow. Oh, that was primo, baby. That's the one thing you gotta watch out for.
Like a jig.
Like this man's doing a jig. You got it though, you got it. No, we're on the sidewalk, we're downtown San Francisco, there's all this stuff going on. That's why you're a skate pro.
We're pro.
I don't know why he makes himself laugh so much. That was good, but you gotta do it where you're fully jumping, right?
Yes, commit.
Fully jump. Go fast and commit. What kind of go fast and commit was that? If you commit right here, we'll buy you a Starbucks.
Wow. Well, that was better.
Jump with both feet at the same time and just run it. Close. We're getting closer each try. Skate or die.
Skate or die.
But don't die, but land on it.
Okay, just skate.
Just skate, yeah. I got the angle for your video part. Run it.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Yeah!
What happened?
I did a popcorn.
You did it, that wasn't hard, right?
No, damn.
Okay, let's do it again.
Right.
Now, there's a tradition here at Braille Skateboarding. It's called 2 to make it true. You know, that means you do it again.
We do it again.
Yeah, it's not quite true yet. You only did it once, now we do it again.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Look at that, he's on there. He's on there.
I popcorn.
You did it. Okay, good.
that.
Now we're gonna do it again, but more with just both feet in the air right away. You're playing it safe, which is smart. It's good, because we forgot your helmet.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
3 in a row.
3 in a row.
I mean, at this point, you're just a skater.
I'm a skater.
For all those people that used to lift weights with Saroj in your weightlifting class.
I'm now a skater. That's incredible. I did not think I could do that.
Really? Now you've accomplished something new.
Absolutely.
Both feet at the same time. We're going both feet at the same time, Saroj. That was the exact opposite of what we just went over. But it is good. What you're doing is good.
Okay.
You're progressing
Good.
every inch of the way. 1. Now when you jump on the board for the popcorn, the exact same motion you just did. No changes. No changes. Go. What? You changed everything. Jump both feet, Saroj. I got an idea. Why don't you flip it with your back foot? Yeah, now both feet at the same time. Good, now both feet at the same time. Yeah, like that. Here, look. Here, I'm gonna show you. Okay, you ready?
Yeah.
So I can practice like that, yes. But then when I'm actually doing the trick, I'm gonna bend down, jump up with both feet, and then flip it over, and then land.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay, okay. I see what's happening.
There it is. I knew that was gonna happen, that was perfect. But now you just need to jump forward a little more. Aim here, because that's where it's gonna land. Wow, look at that. Now he's a real skater. Okay, do it again.
Okay.
Boom!
Okay.
We'll wait for these people to go.
He's gonna hit a tray flip, right?
Yeah.
Bro,
What up?
I just want to say, love your
Yeah,
I'm
thanks.
not a big skater, but your content's cool.
Thank you,
Good
thanks.
luck with whatever's going on.
Yeah, you ready?
Yeah.
Land it. Wow!
Wow! Look at that.
Okay,
Boom.
that was good.
Boom.
You did it. You didn't do it once. You did it like, you actually probably did it like 30 times.
Incredible. That was awesome.
So you
That
learned
was
something new.
Amazing.
So now you're a real skater for real.
I just did a trick.
All right, guys, and you can do a trick too. I'm here to teach you and all of your friends and everyone you know how to ride a skateboard. Join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. We got everything you need to progress and push forward on your skateboard and learn something new every single day. All right, hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and leave a comment for Sarosh.
That's right.
Thank you. We'll see you in the next video.
Wow. I can't believe I did that.
Tell us everything.
I honestly never thought I was gonna like skate in my life. I didn't but I did it, and it was pretty fun.
All right, good job.
Okay, thank you.